Question number 1. Time taken by A, B and C is in the ratio 5:3:2. Find the ratio of their speeds. So we'll see the working. So here time taken ratio by 3 persons A, B and C is given. Suppose, say for example, if time taken ratio for 2 persons A and B is given, say 4:5. So to find ratio of their speed taken, so as time and speed varies inversely, so we take reciprocal of these ratios, so which is equal to 1/4:1/5. So now when speed ratio is asked and time ratio is given, just cross multiplying this, so we get the speed ratio as 5:4. So as this is comparison between only 2 persons, just invert the ratio whatever is given to find the inverse ratio. Here we have a time ratio for 3 persons A, B and C, and to find the ratio of their speeds taken, it is 1/5:1/3:1/2. So to find the inverse ratio, just don't inverse this, but you have to take reciprocal and then LCM of this ratios. So LCM for 5, 3 and 2, so we get as 30. So we see that the denominators are 30, so multiplying the given ratio, the first ratio with 6, so we get 6/30, and the second ratio with 10, so it is 10/30, and this with 15, we get 15/30. So ratio for speeds is got as 6:10:15. So to find the inverse ratio, instead of taking reciprocal and LCM, so just for these 3 persons A, B and C, so just multiply the other 2 parts for speed taken by A. Here for B and C we have 3 and 2, so multiplying it you get 6. And for speed taken by B, multiply the parts for A and C, it is 10. And for C, multiplying the parts taken by A and B, it is 15. So now if you have any common factor, simplify this. And as these 3 factors are relatively prime, so the ratio for speed is 6:10:15. And the answer is option B, 6:10:15. And the shortcut is, when time taken ratio is given as A:B:C, ratio of their speed is got by reciprocals of A, B and C, that is 1/A:1/B:1/C, and shortcut for ratio of speed is multiplying the other 2 factors, so BC:CA:AB. So we'll see the next question, question number 2. A bus covers a certain distance with speed of 40 kilometers per hour in 5 hours. What will be time taken by a car to cover the same distance with speed of 50 kilometers per hour? So we'll see the working. So speed of the bus, so we take as S1, that is 40 kilometers per hour, and with this speed it travels for 5 hours. So time taken by the bus we take as T1 is 5 hours. So to find the distance covered by the bus, it is speed of the bus into time taken by the bus to cover the distance, so which is equal to 40 into 5. So the same distance is covered by a car with a speed 50 kilometers per hour, and we need to find time taken by the car to cover this distance. So time taken by the car we take as T2, so which is equal to distance by speed. So here S2 is speed of the car taken. So we have got the distance as 40 into 5 and speed of the car is given as 50 kilometers per hour. So to find the time taken, simplifying this, we get 4 hours. So the car takes 4 hours to travel the same distance covered by the bus. So answer is option E, 4 hours. So and the shortcut is time taken equal to distance by speed. So we'll see the next question. Question number 3. Mr. Sharma reached the Chennai airport, which is 20 kilometers from his place, by car in half an hour. He took a flight to Hyderabad, traveling 520 kilometers in 1.5 hours. Find the average speed of the car and flight taken together. So we'll see the working. So we need to find the average speed here, where average speed is got by total distance by total time taken. Here total distance is the distance covered by Sharma by car and the flight. Say total distance equal to distance covered by car is 20 kilometers and distance covered by the flight is 520 kilometers. So total he covers 540 kilometers in his journey. And total time taken is so he travels by car for half an hour and by flight 1.5 hours, so which is equal to 2 hours. So therefore average speed is got by total distance 540 kilometer by total time taken 2 hours, so which is equal to 270 kilometers per hour. And answer is option E, 270 kilometers per hour. So and the working is average speed is got by total distance by total time taken. The total distance is got by adding all the partial distance, say d1 and d2, by total time taken is t1 plus t2.